Y'all already know the vibes. We are here in the storm. I wanted to vlog for y'all, a little quick vlog. This is so funny because I'm like cursing and stuff. So I had to come outside to get, oh shit. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me get a charcoal, please.
Let's give me Wednesday.
Thank you. That's it. Thank you. Hey, Miss Sheba.
Hi, David. Hey!
Yep. Alright, guys. So back in this storm. So look at all this snow. So first I want to say that I'm bundled up. Like, let me put my scarf on my mouth. I got asthma. So the first thing I want to say is I'm bundled up. I'm not cool. I got the Uggs on. I got pajamas on, my sweats. I gotta make sure there's no cars coming. I ain't back. And stuff like that. So I'm back. Oh shit. Oh my god. Oh my god. So bad. Ooh. So basically, I hope y'all can hear me. I basically came outside to get me some snacks, charcoal, and stuff like that. Nah, I gotta stop recording. My phone's getting wet, guys. I'm just... Alright, guys, so I was trying to record for you guys, but my phone was getting wet, like OD. So I'm gonna just do a little vlog, like basically just showing y'all what I be doing on a daily basis and stuff like that. Right now, I'm in the room with these eggheads.
Yo. Hola.
We're just gonna be like basically showing y'all what we be doing on a daily basis. Getting like it. Fuck out of here. GT. Look at this white guys.
She's getting killed by police, you know.
Oh, my son going. Oh, no.
Watch me. How you feeling? I ain't
Now,
doing it.
who names what? Huh? Who names and what? Wait, let's rap. No, put an instrumental. Put like a rapping song. Oh, how y'all feeling about the snow? Huh?
I look good.
Look it, I'm gonna give you a applause. It's beginning to look like this. Huh? Come closer. Come closer. No, it's snow outside. It's a little white for me. I'ma go in the house and bake some cookies, chocolate chips, a strawberry. But fuck that shit, I'ma smack you with the potpourri. Oh my god, I got a purple hanger, and I'ma hang my clothes up like a fucking dinger, and I'ma ring your ears. Reindeer, bitch, it's snowing. Be my dear. Valentine's Day is coming up. I don't got a Valentine, but it's okay, cause I'm mine. I'm so fine. I'm a dumb. You're a bitch. You're a slime. I'm gonna fuck you in the bum.
Ah! What the fuck?
Hey, go ahead.
It might not make sense.
Okay, go ahead.
Shayla got a Valentine. Yeah. Naya is her own Valentine. Yeah. She a rat, not Naya though, cause she the best. Yeah.
On beat. On beat, sis. Alright, I gotta go. Give me a topic.
Cookies. Bitches.
I said, oh, cookie and bitches. I'm loving my bitches. I'm fucking the bitches. I'm sucking the bitches. I'm licking the bitches. I pass the bitch. And I eat the bitch. And I eat the cookie. Yeah, I'm talking about the vagina. I ain't talking about the snack, nigga. I punch your mom and I snack on her ass and I dab on her, nigga. Ooh. That was fucking. And the topic, come on.
Hoes.
Alright.
I got one. Hoes on left and right.
No. Cancelled. Fucking little bitch and this nigga little dick. Fucking little bitch and suck a little dick. Life game bitch, I'm fucking
That pussy.
Ooh.
Babas.
Oh. Need a baba eat. And I ain't talking about a baby bottle bitch. I'm talking about a baba treesh. Ooh, a baba that suck dick. And she liking in her butt click. That's it. And I'm gonna get this W for y'all. And we lit. So when I come back, taking this W for y'all.
Tatum at the three. Tristan Thompson is out there with Daniel Tice. And it's Walker in at the point. Thompson and one. That one goes careening off the glove.
To build that trust, weathering the storms together will obviously help you do that.
In the corner, Tatum with it. Hits the three-point bomb.
Well, you know he's feeling it when he's taking.
My birthday's like literally in 25 days, bro. The pop-up about to be real crazy. I'm about to have a lot of you bitches paintings, but I ain't gonna lie. Cause I'm about to pop out on y'all niggas. Alright, let me get back to this game. When I get to the fourth quarter, I will be back to let you guys know who is winning or who's about to win. It's definitely gonna be me.
I'm down by one.
Now, if you lose, you gotta call your ex.
Which one?
Zanaya.
I'm not calling her.
If I lose,
Alright, so call
if I
the
lose,
other
what's the bet?
I call your ex too.
Yeah, you have to call Cindy.
And tell her you miss her.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's beast.
No.
I just told you to call her. I didn't say nothing about missing
You have to make
anybody.
you miss her.
I bet. That's a bet. That's a bet.
But
I'm
I'm not
coming
calling
in.
her because she's not going to answer the phone.
I'm coming in though.
Oh, girl, but she's not going to answer the phone.
You gotta call her though.
Okay.
I'm putting this in the video.
Okay, but if she
Or
don't
tell
answer,
Tatiana that you like her.
I'm coming in.
Grandma, but she not.
On who?
Grandma.
I ain't. So stay tuned, guys.
She crossed her toes.
My feet not even crossed.
It's about to get a little crazy. I ain't gonna lie. So I'll be back. Yo, I'm winning. 81 to 74. I think she needs to call her. Let's interview her. Do you wanna call your ex? You little baby? You little baby? You wanna call your ex? You better tell your girlfriend that you're gonna call your ex. So if she don't call her, she's canceled. She's never getting back on the channel. It's clear.
Tatum's got 27 points. Tatum's got a nice jump shot. He's in rhythm. You feel like he's gonna make it every time he shoots. Some slick passes from Harden on that one.
Big burst of clock if they want to.
And get a little breather as well. And Tice gets it to go. I mean, this is a game they have to feel good about.
It was a dazzling game for Jason Tatum.
I'm playing velocity on defense now. He was constantly putting himself in the path of steals and coming up with them too.
He hits the first one, and that makes it a 7-point lead.
And vertical
7-point lead,
is
damn.
quite impressive. As relentless a finisher that you'll find in this league.
Hey, don't go with
He brings it up to Brooklyn. That's Vincent.
Oh, you don't.
Gets to Durant. Lays it up off the glass.
They down by 6.
He is one of the top 10 all-time guys that you want taking that shot. His length, his ball handling, his shooting, and his
Done about 4 guys.
You found me. Give me a foul.
Done about 6. Yo, what's the shoot? I told you that any game I play her in, I will beat her. Good, she sucks.
This is good. Literally, this is the third time beating me. Let me sit down by 10.
I mean, I could play her like this and still win. I ain't trying to even be cocky. We do this for the damn Dominique. What do you mean I say so?
She's a guy you can count on.
Who won? I won. For this shit. Let's get to it, guys. Wait, try it one more time. Yo, that's violation. I'm back. Call it. Oh, one more time. One time. The second time is the lucky time. Okay, there we go. Why she did that? Or maybe you blocked. If it don't ring again, you're blocked. She blocked you. Oh, hold on. No, she didn't.
How you know?
The ex I wanted her to call didn't answer. So she about to call another ex, but you gotta put it in the camera. You knew her too, so it don't matter. Okay. That's not your ex. That's my ex. Hey. Damn, bro. She got it hard. Look at I took mash. Oh, ew.
I do it because this is wet. Because I lick them.
Get the fuck away from me.
So what you like to put this shit and say?
At 5:30, she will respond via text. I set up the New York City school account though.
Oh no. Man. You lost hope. What? Yeah. Blue cheese. Ooh. So now I'm gonna set the hookah. I'm about to bust the shit out the small hookah that my mom got. My fingers is mad ashy. So I just set the hookah up. This little hookah shooting. I'm gonna show you right now. Look at it on me. So yeah, I just set this up. This flavor is actually called Madagascar Night. It tastes like pear, but it's reasonable. Like I like it. It's okay. It's not all that. I think chocolate is my new favorite. I'm not gonna lie. I should have said chocolate. Damn. But yeah, just like a hookah. Where the tunes at? Breath, man. Yo, this little hookah is really doing its job, bro. Bro, this shit busting like it's my hookah. And y'all saw my hookah in the last video. Shout out to y'all got my video to 300 views, bro. Give it, I don't know. Turn it down, Shay. Ooh. I went to a party, it was like 2 weeks ago. Hold on. Here's Mr. Oldie.
You got me stuck inside your love.
spread your love, baby. That push so wet. I'm a nice pussy. So I don't know what to do, guys. Right now I'm just bored out my ass right now. What should I do, man? Gemma, what should I do?
Play Roblox with me.
No.
I like to be called Cracker.
We're gonna call Jeanette and we're gonna tell her to come to her window. Say it louder. For the one time, please. Davis dominates 2. Say it. Say it. Look at the hookah butt. All right. Later. Let's tell Leslie and them to get to the window. Let's see if they're gonna come to the window. Now look at Jada. Scream as loud as you can. Alright guys, that's the end of our video. Hope you guys like, subscribe, comment. Stay safe in the snowstorm. Puerto Rico in 14 more days. Stay tuned for that video. That video is gonna be mad late. I'm gonna try to drop at least like 4 videos in Puerto Rico, but turn that post notification on so when I post, you guys get the notification and we lit, gang.